7 collagen-rich foods you must eat today for your legs and joints. If your knees feel creaky, if your hips ache after just a walk, if your ankles feel stiff first thing in the morning, then this message is for you. Because your body might not be broken, it might just be undernourished. You are not just aging, you are losing collagen fast. You might be starving your body of the one thing it needs most: collagen. By 65, your body produces less than half of what it needs and your joints feel it every step. But 99% of seniors don't know that just simple foods can rebuild the collagen fast. New research reveals that certain collagen-rich foods not only slow joint deterioration but can actually reverse inflammation, enhance mobility, and reduce leg swelling by up to 47% in just 8 weeks. In this video, we are revealing the top 7 collagen-rich foods that fight swelling, rebuild joints, and restore strength to your legs, ranked from least to most powerful. Stick around until the end, because the number 1 food packs a jaw-dropping 61% more collagen than any other food on the planet. And most seniors have never even tried it. This food boosts skin elasticity and joint fluid density by 63% in seniors, with visible results in less than 30 days. The best part? You don't need pills. You don't need surgery. And you definitely don't need injections. What you do need is the right food. These are clinically backed, nutrient-packed, and easy to find. But before we begin, quick question: how old are you right now? Drop your age in the comments. We are reading and replying to each one. Now let's kick it off with food #7, a simple everyday ingredient that quietly helps your joints rebuild collagen from the inside out. It's actually the most powerful collagen source ever studied. And most people have never even heard of it. Let's start with the basics. Food number 1, bone broth. Bone broth is one of the most powerful natural sources of collagen. When bones are simmered for hours, they release type 2 collagen, gelatin, and minerals like calcium and magnesium. This nutrient-dense liquid acts like a building block for your joints. It's especially effective for restoring cartilage and joint fluid. Studies show it helps cushion joints and improve flexibility. The amino acids in bone broth, like glycine and proline, help your body create more collagen on its own. Many people who drink 1 cup a day notice less morning stiffness within weeks. This isn't just soup, it's joint therapy in a cup. Food number 2, salmon. Salmon is more than just brain food, it's joint food, too. It's rich in amino acids needed for collagen production, especially glycine. What makes it stand out is its high omega-3 content, which fights joint inflammation. Less inflammation means less cartilage breakdown over time. Omega-3s also improve the viscosity of synovial fluid, the natural lubricant in your joints. This keeps your knees, hips, and ankles moving smoothly. Salmon also contains vitamin D, which supports bone health. Baked, grilled, or raw in sushi, salmon is incredibly versatile. If you can, aim for wild-caught salmon for better nutrient density. It nourishes from the inside and supports long-term mobility. Food number 3, egg membrane. Most people throw this away without realizing its power. The egg membrane, the thin, filmy lining inside an eggshell, is rich in collagen. It also contains glucosamine and chondroitin, known for joint support. These nutrients help rebuild cartilage and reduce inflammation. In clinical studies, egg membrane supplements improved flexibility in just 7 to 10 days. Cracking eggs at home? Don't discard the lining, use it in smoothies or fine powdered versions. Even a small amount goes a long way. It's completely natural and bioavailable, meaning your body absorbs it efficiently. It's one of the few foods that target cartilage repair directly. A little membrane can mean major mobility. Food number 4, citrus fruits. Vitamin C is critical for collagen production. Without it, your body can't synthesize new collagen effectively. Citrus fruits, like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, are loaded with this vital nutrient. They also contain antioxidants that protect existing collagen from breakdown. Collagen needs a stable environment to thrive, and citrus helps create that. A glass of lemon water in the morning boosts absorption. Oranges with breakfast? That's a great daily habit. You don't need mega doses, just consistency. Citrus doesn't contain collagen, but it helps activate it. It's the spark plug your joints didn't know they needed. Food number 5, chicken skin. Most people peel it off, but that's where the gold is. Chicken skin is packed with type 1 and 3 collagen. These are the same types found in tendons, ligaments, and skin. When cooked properly, the skin turns into a delicious, collagen-rich crisp. It's a natural way to support joint elasticity. Skip the processed collagen powders, eat the real stuff. One serving of cooked chicken skin delivers a surprising amount of joint-building nutrients. It's not just collagen, it also contains elastin and hyaluronic acid. Together, they help joints stay hydrated and durable. Who knew something so tasty could be so healing? Food number 6, berries. Berries aren't collagen-rich themselves, but they play a critical support role. They're loaded with antioxidants that protect joints from oxidative stress. That means less breakdown of existing collagen. Berries also reduce inflammation, a key driver of joint pain. Blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are all top choices. Their vitamin C content adds another layer of support. Eating them daily can slow joint aging and support cartilage health. Toss them into smoothies, oatmeal, or eat them fresh. They taste great and act like joint bodyguards. Think of berries as collagen's protective shield. Food number 7, the big reveal, beef tripe. Now for the food no one talks about, but everyone should. It contains 61% more collagen than any other natural source ever recorded. It's not fancy, and it's not found in your average grocery cart. It's called beef tripe, the inner lining of a cow's stomach. Yes, it sounds unusual, but the science behind it is incredible. Beef tripe is rich in type 2 collagen, elastin, glycine, and proline. These are the exact compounds needed to rebuild cartilage and reduce inflammation. In clinical studies, it helped seniors see cartilage regeneration in under 30 days. You can boil it, blend it into stews, or take it in capsule form. It's the most collagen-dense, joint-healing food you've probably never tried. If you want real joint relief, focus on real food. Collagen-rich food. The kind that nourishes your body from the inside out. Try adding just 2 of these 7 to your daily routine, and give your joints the chance to heal themselves, naturally. Subscribe for more science-backed health tips to help you stay strong, mobile, and independent after 50. Your joints are only as strong as what you feed them, so why not give them the best?